Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Java. Today we're going to see that thing called that is create a project called online test without database, without need of database, that is online test.java. So already I created here. I just show how to do it with the help of swing concept. So this is a question. This is a one. What the user can expect here once you execute the program, there'll be interface. In the interface, user can write the test. That means multiple choice questions. Today I create the program with multiple 10 questions. User can select the question and give the answer like correct answers. Okay, so you can select the answer. Answer it may be first option is my third or fourth, or else you have one more option. Suppose the question number 3 the user don't want, he can give, he or she can bookmark the answer, and at last end of the session he can answer it, he or she. So here see the program. So very simply in C. So we are going to use the swing concept. So I'm adding the package called auction event, then the package like auction listener, then button group, then button j frame, j label, j option pan, j radio button. So here I'm going to write the start the program class online test extends j frame, implements auction listener, then private static I'm using, J label using, then J radio button using. So you know the use of J radio button, because when I use a J radio button, we can create the choices. That means it may be option of A, B, C, D, either four or five options. The user can select the correct answer. Whenever the user select the correct answer, it will print at last the correct answer is how much. Suppose 10 questions, user give the answer for 5 questions correct, you will say correct answer is 5, like that. Then we are writing the int count is equal to 0, then current 0, everything we're giving here, then using the array, then we are going to create a j frame with radio button and j button. So I'm writing the class name that is online test, then string I'm using, then label new j label, then I'm going to create the button group, then I'm writing the coding for loop where I'm writing radio button because we need, so we new j radio button, then add of radio button of I, then I'm giving everything, then button next. So here what I'm going to miss, I'm going to the interface. In the interface, I'm going to create the two buttons, that is called next button, one called bookmark. So here writing the button next, that is new j button is next, then another button name I'm naming as a bookmark. Then here the auction listener is important. Whenever the user click this, it have to activate it. That is I'm writing here. Then I'm going to the set bounds, that is 30 40 the size of the screen and button size everything. Then I'm writing radio button of 0 dot set bounds of some value, and similarly radio button of 1 some value, radio button of 2 value, and button of 3. So totally 4 options, multiple choice, no. So one question I'm generating, and I'm generating 4 options here with some sizes. Then I'm writing button next set buttons, then writing set default close operation, then set layout I'm giving, set visible I'm giving. Whenever we give the visible option, then only the interface will be visible for everyone. Then handle all actions based on the event. So for the reason I'm writing the coding public void action performed, then writing if check off count plus 1, then current plus 1. That means when the user click the first option over means you can go second option, again go for second option. At last it will print the result, that is important. So I'm writing the test result. Whenever user click the result to display, the correct answer is how much, 2 or 3, like that. Then I'm using the action command, then using the j button, then simple and easy, then set visible. Then I'm going to the for loop where I'm writing action command at equals of bookmark, then if check count is equal to count plus 1 condition, now current, then and so on and so I'm giving here easy only. Then I'm going to write the set question with options. Here we can edit the coding. If you want, we can keep some other questions. So I'm doing void set a button of 4 dot set selector true. Then question 1 I'm giving, that is which of the following is not introduced with Java 8, like that. So I'm giving the answer like button 1 I'm give the answer of Steam API, button 2 I'm serialization, and button 3 I'm giving the option of split SPL iterator, and I'm giving the fourth option lambda expression. So like that I'm generating if current is equal to 0, then if current is equal to 1, next question. So I'm generating 10 questions like this. So 10 questions with the answer I'm giving. Then I'm going to continue the coding here. So you can edit the answer whenever you want. So here after getting, I have to give the declare right answers here. So when I want right answers, I can give like this only. That means Boolean check if current is equal to 0, return radio button of 1, it's selected. Then you are giving if current is equal to 1, radio button of 1 is selected. So user can select any answer. So if correct answer is clicked, it will add the mark. If not there, it won't add the mark here. So like that, I'm giving the options here. Then I'm writing complete the program with the public static void main and new online test of online test of. So without interruption of database, we can create the program with the help of this swing concept, where you can using the simply the J frame, J label, and J option frame, and J data button. Now I'm switch on the other screen for execution. So new share. So I'm going to share the next one, that is execution. So you know how to execute compile and execute the program. So I'm given Java C, Java online test dot Java. There is an error. Then I'm going to execute the program, that is Java space online test. So when you execute, what will happen? It will go and show the new screen like this. So this is screen. Once you execute the output here. So it's showing the output here. So I'm the user. I can start test now. Which of the following is not introduced with Java 8? So I'm giving option just one, just a name check I'm giving. So I can give write the answer. Second, I'm giving second option. Third, I'm giving first option. So totally 10 questions I designed here. So with some set size also. Next I'm giving like this. Next I'm giving question number 5 like this. So suppose question number 6 I don't want, I can bookmark here. Bookmark. Then after some time you can answer. Then I'm giving the 7th question answer B. Then the second option I'm giving here 8. Then I'm giving like this. At last I'm going to complete the test here. And then I'm going to give result. So bookmark. So I want to answer, just I'm giving the answer of lines. At last, whenever we press the result, it's the correct answer is how much. So successfully I completed the test. It's saying correct answer is equal to 5. So like that, we can generate the online test coding very, very easily. Online test coding with multiple choice answers. I hope that you understand the video. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the following, communicate with the social media, what are going to give in the description. And thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.